Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope very well. Happy, well, whatever day I upload this, I don't know why I said that. Anyway, this is all my gear. I'm going to be going over all my flashlights. And I realized the other day, it's like, man, I hadn't been working on that playlist. So, you know, you guys can yell at me now and then and say, hey, Dill Stick, where's your damn all my gear? You know, I requested it. Where the hell is it? And so, sorry again, you know, I'm only human and I've been working a lot, so. But I can come to the park and, you know, or do it at home and try to knock something out. I still got to do my stoves video again, but hopefully tomorrow, today is the 21st of July, so I don't know when I'm going to have this video up, but I'm going to be heading to the camera store and getting a new camera. Well, hopefully see what they have for options, and then I can actually shoot that video at home because the focus will be so much better. So let's get the camera down and we'll go over some flashlights. Okay, so what I've got here is I've got my Woods Carry, and I've got non-working flashlights, which I'm gonna do a little rant on these as well. And so first we have the Suwalki solar lantern. I hang this over my hammock, or I hang it up in my tent if I sleep in one, or whatever shelter. It's a USB chargeable as well. It's right here, or it has solar, so you set out in the sun, let it charge up. This one I keep, I actually FLMD002. I actually don't know what brand this. Oh wait, it's right here. It's Mooby Bear, I think. Camera's not going to show that little word, but it's basically just a three AAA batteries. I actually found this in the garage at work, and then nobody claimed it, so I just took it home. Because other flashlights. This it's a police. There's no battery in here. It's just a little flashlight. I think I actually got this when I ordered a knife, but I don't carry it because there's no belt clip. So then there's the Rant headlamp. Now there's actually batteries in here because I keep this in at my desk. So if I'm sitting at my computer and the power goes out, I can throw on a headlamp, make my way around the apartment, or condo actually, and I can you know, see where I'm going. And I also keep one in my outdoor gear, same headlamp. Now this Rant actually contacted me by email, and they actually offered to send me some lights to try out. And I actually have done a video on this. So this is my current Woods headlamp, and it's actually been working really well, and it's still running strong. And in here somewhere I've got the batteries, because I store the batteries outside of the pack, so I don't kill the batteries. This is a Phoenix E25UE. I was actually going to do a video review on this, and I forgot. So it's because of the dust. I really haven't been using it a lot, because it's got no belt clip. So I haven't really been carrying it. It still works, I hope. I just haven't been using it. Guess I'll throw a couple of accessories in here as well. So these, I forgot. I think Wandering Beast did a video on these a long time ago. I've actually had this a long time. It just holds 4 AA batteries, because I used to carry everything AA. And the Phoenix headband, which I did a video on, comes with these holders. So for spare batteries, and it just goes over the strap. But I didn't want all that weight on my head. And I say Phoenix, because this used to be my headlamp, but the light stopped working. I always kept the battery out of it. I think I took a battery out. I've always kept the battery out and separate, but the light crapped out on me. So I just haven't gotten another light in here. I could. The band is still holding up well. Still got a decent amount of tension. I haven't found another light yet to put in here, or to replace this one. It came with a spare attachment point, but this actually cracked after about 7 years, which I didn't mind because the headband itself was only $20, so it wasn't a big deal. I was like, oh well, it cracked, no biggie. I had a spare, which is here, and for $20 about 10 years ago, not too bad. I have, this is another Phoenix, no, this is a 4.7's light. Unfortunately, the battery is fused in here, so it won't turn on. It was a twist on-off. Battery is fused. I tried using vice grips and channel locks to open the back, and it just wouldn't open, so it's frozen in there. So it's about I think I spent $50 on this flashlight, and now it's dead. Another 4.7's product. This is the second EDC flashlight I ever carried. 2 AA batteries, but this one also stopped working. I always carried this in my pocket. There's another twist on, and I'm going to get into why I'm showing dead flashlights. So those two are dead. I don't remember if this one works anymore. This was just a Darcy, like, I think it was AA, 2 AA. I don't remember if this one works because I stopped using it. Took the batteries out, so it's not fused. That one's a cheap one. This is a Through Night TI4 pen light, which I think still works, but I think I took the batteries out, but I forgot why. I think I was going to carry it, and I just ended up not doing it. I should put it in my work. If I should put batteries in it and put it in my work bag, it'd probably be good. And then, kind of in no random order, I've actually got 4 rechargeable iGo green, and these stopped charging, so I haven't been using them. They wouldn't charge anymore, so I just quit using them. And then I've got I've actually got an unopened box of, because Vaunt sent me 4 headlamps, and I still have 2 that I haven't even opened yet. And I did the video, what, a couple years ago now? So just some random accessories. Oh, and then there's my EDC flashlight. This is $7. Simple, click on and off. I don't think it has any light modes, but I always carry that just right here in my pocket. I just clip it right on. I've never had anyone ask me if it was a knife, because I keep the knife hidden in this pocket here. Keep the knife hidden. It's a spider coat, all black and tenacious, yeah. But I keep the flashlight here, so someone says, is that a knife? I go, nope, flashlight. And they'll say, well, why do you have a flashlight? I say, well, because it gets dark, in case it gets dark. Okay, so now for my rant. So with this one and this one, the 4.7's, actually both these are 4.7's, you know, they don't work anymore. This one, the battery leaked in it, so it may not have been the flashlight, but the thing that I was, you know, it's not the first EDC flashlight. Of all the gear I've owned over the years, I've had to replace the flashlight more than anything else. Knives still hold up, cook pots still hold up, sleeping bags still holding up, tents have held up, but the damn lights go out more than anything else that I own. You know, and it's not even the battery dying, because, you know, that's just going to happen. Although I wish I had $1 million every time a battery died in a pocket because it got clicked on, you know, it just clicked on and it just burnt itself out. That's happened to me more times than I can count. Just because it you know, it sits exposed and it gets clicked and I don't hear it click. But then even the ones that twist start, and you know, you turn it to turn it on, but then somehow it gets turned in your pocket. Even this EDC one, you know, the focus will always twist down to the biggest beam, so I'm always having to twist it and get a finer beam. which is why I personally am not going to spend. I stopped spending money. This was like a $70 flashlight. Now it's dead. So what is it worth? Not a damn thing. You know, it's money pissed. It's a pocket whip. You know, I can't even use it for a paperweight because it's not really even that heavy. I mean, it's really light for aircraft aluminum, but you know, none of that means shit if it doesn't turn on anymore. And now it's just, it's, you know, it's dead. You know, I love this Phoenix LD10, and it just doesn't even turn on anymore. So what good is it now? Now it's nothing. Damn paperweight. And this one, you know, also doesn't work. You know, I spent a nice chunk of change on some of these lights, and now they don't work anymore. So now my spending limit for EDC flashlights is, if it's over $20, I'm not going to spend it. Screw it. I'm not going to waste the money and have them die on me eventually. So, you know, why spend the money? Why spend the money just to piss it away? I mean, yeah, I do get a little enjoyment out of the light when I'm using it, but you know, I don't work graveyard anymore, so I use the lights far less. Although it's handy to have them, because you know, I was sitting in a movie one time, and a guy and his son came in. They're looking all through the seats trying to find something, and I said, "Hey, what's up?" And they said, "Oh, we lost our wallet." Ding! And I'm the one who found it because I had my light, and I was just between the seats. Oh, there it is. And Gavin handed it to him. So, like, you know, super handy. You know, power goes out. You know, boom, light. But why spend, you know, $50, $60 on a flashlight brand, on a flashlight that's just going to eventually crap out on me? So that's kind of my rant about that. You know, I mean, it is what it is. I mean, I do get a little enjoyment out of the product, but it's like at the end of the day, when the products die, you know, what good is it? So anyway, thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one. Let me know what you think in the comments, and have a great day.